Select the transformations that map figure A to figure A prime to prove that the shapes are congruent. So here's figure A prime. This time there's no draggable figure to help you with the transformations. You have to actually just try to figure it out on your own. So look at the orientation of the points and which way the triangle's facing to try and figure it out. Notice that the blue and the red have the same orientation, where the blue is to the left of the red. So that means there wasn't a rotation. When you rotate, you would change the orientation, and then the red would be to the left. So it's not a rotation. But it does look like a reflection. If you were to take this figure A and then draw it down here, see how these have the same orientation, this figure A prime and this little red triangle I just drew. And this is a vertical reflection. So that means one of the transformations had to be a vertical reflection. And then how would you get from this red triangle here up to A prime? Well, that's simply a translation. So you see the process I used there? I compared the orientation of the different colored vertices between the pre-image and the image, and then I just did a little trial and error. I tried the vertical reflection. It turns out that worked out. I mean, if it didn't, then I would try something else, maybe horizontal or who knows. But just use some trial and error, and you'll get it figured out.